Hi, nice to meet you. You can call me Betty. I'm trying to save our little hummingbirds. It's freezing outside. I hope that you're staying warm. Today we're going to cut one galaxy stone, two random rocks, and a couple pieces off of this graveyard point plume agate. This is the first galaxy stone I've cut on my saw. I was just kind of afraid that it would be empty on the inside. And spoiler alert, it is not the galaxy stone of my dreams. I'm pretty glad it wasn't empty. That would have made me really sad. So this wasn't what I was going for, but we didn't crap out. It has some chalcedony in the center. Let's cut open a couple of my random rocks. These are rocks that I picked up while I was walking my dog Lola. I just really wanted to see what these two had inside. I think that this one is a piece of chert or jasper. I was really surprised by the colors inside. Way more colorful than I expected. What a beautiful rock. This second random rock is so little that it felt like instant gratification. It was so quick to cut open. I think the design on the inside of this rock looks a little bit like a bird sitting on a branch. I don't think this rock is meant for polishing or jewelry or a cabochon, but I still think it was worthwhile to see this design on the inside. I'm going to keep it in my garden. I didn't find this piece of graveyard point plume agate myself. This is rock that I purchased from Richardson's Rock Ranch in Madras, Oregon. Digging is permanently closed, but the store at Richardson's Rock Ranch has been open for over 50 years. Check their website. You can order from them directly, either in person at the store or on the phone. I really appreciated that they ask what you plan to use the rock for. Are you tumbling it, cutting it? And if you're cutting it, what size saw do you have? They have a whole lot of different types of rough rock available. I'll put a link to their website in the description of the video. I trimmed the little end piece off and then cut just one little slab off of it. I'm really amazed by this material. I took some photos with my microscope, and they're at the end of this video. Don't forget to check them out. I'd never cut into a rock before and found metallic inclusions, and this rock is also just so colorful. It's such a nice rock, I might need to have somebody slab it for me. Do people slab rocks in exchange for part of the material? Is that something that you guys do? Let me know in the comments. I purchased a few pounds of this graveyard point plume agate, and this is the first piece I've cut, and I think this is the smallest of the chunks. I am so excited to cut more of this. Did I get really lucky with this first piece, or is this just super fun material? It's going to be really cool to see what's in the other chunks. Our friend Caleb from Freeform Lapidary thought that these silvery inclusions might be marcasite. It shows up really beautifully in the microscope photos. This has been one of my favorite cuts. I can't wait to cut the next rock. See you soon.